Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel, and today I want to invite you for picnic. It will be very tasty. I will tell you what we will eat today, something very easy to make but almost like in a Japanese restaurant. Special vibe from Pikolitочка. My chicken really loves cucumber, we can give it to her right now. Cucumber! Look. Oh, Pikolitочка, she loves cucumber so much. Then we have salmon and tuna. Rice. Just make it in the morning very easy. Nori, very healthy and very easy to prepare for your picnic. So look how this tasty. Let's try it. I know that I'm already so hungry. So what do we need to do? Very easy. You take nori, then rice, then fish, some cucumber and soya. Then you're just doing like this. Okay. Oh my god, it's just so good. I love coca. Oh look, it's so funny. So beautiful name. Hortensia, very Mexican. If you know, well, we're right now in Mexico. I didn't tell you where it's a park in the Mexico. The perfect place for picnic. I love coca. And I think with sushi, it's a perfect combination. One more for video, and after I want maybe 10. Oh my god, just look at this. Look at this, how it's beautiful, how it's beautiful. I think that it's really healthy. Just a little bit. Ew! Ew! Just so good. I really recommend you go for picnic just like this and make it and eat it. For me, this is real happiness. If you tell me, oh Flirtina, choose restaurant or go picnic for picnic, okay, Japanese restaurant or go for picnic, something like this, I will choose this for sure. Look, all this natural only for me today. So please, I hope you're looking right now for this video. Please subscribe, put like, it's very important for me and Pikolitочка. And I hope you're already thinking that where you will go in your country for picnic.